ప్రతిదీ పని చేస్తారు కవర్ కవర్ ఇది
black
Hello, good morning students. Yesterday we discussed about relation between zeros and coefficients. Suppose x square plus 7x plus 12. This is a quadratic equation. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c. A is equal to 1 because instead of, that means in the place of a there is no number, you keep 1. B is equal to 7. C is equal to 12. A is equal to 1 because x square coefficient is 1. There is no number, so you should take 1 and x coefficient is 7. That means B. Constant term is 12. First, find the factors x square plus 7x plus 12. X square 12 into 1. X square coefficient is 1. 12 1 is 12. What are the factors here? 4 3 is 12. 4 plus 3 7. So 4x plus 3x. Instead of 7x we can write 4x plus 3x. X common. X plus 4. Again plus 3 common. X plus 4. These are two terms. Let the two terms x plus 4 one term and x plus 3, x plus 4 common, remaining terms x and plus 3. So x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to minus 3. Okay, minus 4 and minus 3. That means alpha is equal to minus 4 and beta is equal to minus 3. Suppose alpha plus beta, adding of these two roots, minus 4 plus minus 3. Minus 4 plus into minus minus 3, that is equal to minus 7. Alpha into beta, minus 4 into minus 3, that is equal to minus into minus plus 4 3 is 2. So adding of these two roots, we will get 0, minus 7. Multiplying the two roots, we will get plus 12. So what is the relation between zeros? What are the zeros here? Minus 4 and minus 3. These are two zeros. What is the relation between zeros and coefficients? So coefficients are a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, c is equal to c. So sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta. So this is for easy understanding purpose. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus x coefficient b, x square coefficient a. Yesterday I told about this formula, minus b by a. Minus b means minus 7 by 1 alpha into beta. Constant term by x square coefficient. Constant term is c. X square coefficient is a. But original quadratic equation, c means 12 by x square coefficient is 1. Here minus 7 by 1 means minus 7. Here is 2. These two are same, but the relation between zeros and coefficients, I explained it for only understanding purpose. Alpha and beta we found here. That means splitting of quadratic equation, we got alpha and beta. The sum is minus 7 and product is 12. So doing all this simplification is not necessary. So simply alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. We will get the sum and product. Sum means minus 7, here minus 7, and product is 12. Here we got. Okay. So this is only for understanding purpose. So this is the main problem. This one is the main problem. X square plus 7x plus 12, compare with ax square plus bx plus c. A is equal to 1, that means x square coefficient, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 12. Alpha plus beta will get minus b by a. Alpha beta is equal to 12. Okay, this is topic 3.3 exercise. 3.3 exercise, page number 67. Page number 67. So first question given, x square minus 2x minus 8. 8 into 1, x square coefficient 8, x square 8 into x square coefficient 1, 8 1 ja 8. What are the factors for 8? 4 2 ja 8 1 ja. 2 4 ja also correct, but 4 2 ja 2 4 ja both are same. 4 2 ja 8, 4 minus 2, 2. So x square, so it is only for understanding purpose, x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. X in common, x minus 4 plus 2 common, x minus 4. Again x minus 4 common, remaining x plus 2. X is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 2. That means the zeros are alpha is equal to 4 and beta is equal to minus 2. Sum 4 minus 2, 2. So sum of the zeros. Minus b by a. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 8. Minus b by a means minus of minus 2 by 1, that is equal to plus 2. Product of the zeros. C by a. C means minus 8 by 1, that is equal to minus 8. So this one only problem. This one is the problem. Next, alpha into beta, multiply it. Alpha into beta, minus 4, plus 4 into minus 2, plus into minus, answer is minus 4 2 ja 8. We got here a minus 8. This is not a problem, this is only for understanding purpose. This is the main problem. So next one, four s square minus 4s plus 1. 4x square and 4s square and both are same. 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So this is, we can write 2s whole square plus 1 square, a square plus b square. In middle minus 2ab, 2 into a means 2s into b means 1. So this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a minus b whole square, 2s minus 1 whole square You can write it 2s minus 1 into 2s minus 1. 2s minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. 2s is equal to 1 or 2s is equal to 1. S is equal to 1 by 2 or S is equal to 1 by 2. That means alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and beta is equal to 1 by 2. So this is not problem, this is related to understand this one. Just I am explaining for understanding purpose. Again I will explain according to textbook. So sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 halves is half rupee plus half rupee, 1. Or LCM is 2, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Alpha into beta, it is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4. So this is not the problem. This is only for easy knowing. So 4s square minus 4s plus 1. A is equal to 4, B is equal to minus 4, C is equal to 1. Sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta minus B by A minus of minus 4 by 1, that is equal to plus 4. Product of the zeros minus B by A minus B by A means 4, 4 by 4 plus 4 by 4, 1. Check in previous frame, we got here 1, alpha plus beta, product of the zeros. Alpha into beta, C by A. What is the value? C, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So alpha into beta, in previous frame, we got 1 by 4, I think. So these are very important questions for 1 mark or 2 mark or blank. So after reducing the syllabus, it must be in syllabus. So it's a very important problem. Next, 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So here in the question terms are jumbled. That means ax square plus bx, next x coefficient. Next term is x coefficient, 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Middle term is x coefficient. So ax square general form plus bx plus c. Here a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to minus 3. Sum of the zeros. Minus b by a minus of minus 7 by 6 plus 7 by 6. Product of the zeros. C by A minus 3 by 6. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, minus 1 by 2. So this is sum of the zeros and this one is product of the zero. 7 by 6 and minus 1 by 2. Next model. 4u square plus 8u. In yesterday class I explained about this. There is no constant term. So keep a is equal to 4, b is equal to 8, c is equal to 0. Because here is no constant value, take c is equal to 0. Because in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. So there is no c, so we keep c is equal to 0. We take c is equal to 0. Next, sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta minus b by a minus 8 by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, minus 2. Product of the zeros. Alpha into beta, c by a, 0 by 4, that is equal to 0, minus 2 and 0. Next model, t square minus 15. So general form, standard form is ax square plus bx plus c. Here is no bx, that means coefficient of x is not here. So a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1, t square coefficient is 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 15. Okay, sum of the zeros. Minus b by a, 0 by 1. So 0 is not having negative, 0 is neither negative nor positive, so it is not having any sign. So minus 0 and 0 both are same, so 0 by 1 means 0, because 0 by anything is 0. Product. C by a, c means minus 15 by 1, that is equal to answer is minus 15. Okay students, these are very important questions. Last one, (3x square minus x minus 6). Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 6. Sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta minus b by a minus of minus 1 by 3, minus into minus plus 1 by 3. Product of the zeros. Alpha into beta, c by a, c means minus 6 by 3, a means 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, it is equal to minus. So first question is x square minus 2x minus 8. Second one, 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Third one, 6x square minus 3x 7x minus 3. Okay, bye students.
Record ಇದೆ ಎಂತ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಜೈಗನೆ ಅವನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ చూసారు అది ఇట్లా